Hi everyone, today I will show you how to update your Pinokio app and welcome to Tutorials by David. Updating Pinokio is quick and simple. First, you want to make sure your device is connected to a stable network or connection. Open the Pinokio app and navigate to the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Look for the check for updates or software update for this app. So for this one, just wanna use or press the download since I don't have this app. So you wanna choose software update option. If you have it, then tap. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt to download and install and confirm to start the process. Wait patiently as the upload or update downloads. So once complete, your app may start or restart automatically. Finally, verify the update by checking the app version and settings to ensure it's the latest. And once you're all set to enjoy the newest features and improvements.